You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now Bitcoin is trading at 20.6k level, and on the 4-hour chart I was talking about markets coming down, and you see market did come down, and right now this moved to the upside, and also on ETH. So what are we expecting today? Are we expecting this market to move up to this level of resistance, or market is going to move a little bit and then come back down? All of these and more into this video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USD 1-day chart, if you have been following my video, we're talking about market coming down from a retracement before continuation to the upside. And if you look at it very well, you see at this very point we are seeing this very candle right now. What you should be paying attention to is this level of resistance. It's very important that you pay attention to this level of resistance, because I am looking at the market breaking out of this level of resistance. That means once we see a breakout on the resistance level, that is breaking the 21k, once that happens, we're going to see a massive move to the upside to 23k. That is my expectation. Okay, once we see a breakout here, I will be expecting market to move up to 23k at this very point before we see the next retracement in the market around this area. So I will expect the market to move from here into this level of 23k, and this is a very strong resistance at this very area. So this is what I am paying attention to. So right now my attention is strictly on the market moving to the upside and break on this very level. That is what I am expecting. Once that breakout happens, then we're going to see the market ride up into the 23k level, that is at this very area of resistance. That is what I am paying attention to on the 1-day chart. Remember, I told you that market is going to move up, and around this area I was talking about market retracing, and the retracement comes in. This is about 45 to 50% retracement, then the next move to the upside. So I'm waiting for this breakout to happen before that move. So on the 4-hour chart BTC, if you look at this area, market come back down. I was talking about this market moving to the downside, and right now we've seen this move right here. This market is going to move up, guys, and I'm expecting the market to move up, and your first target is this very level of resistance. Okay, expect the market to move to the upside from this very area where the market is moving from right now. That is what I'm expecting. Your first target, like I said, is this very area of resistance. That is the 21k level, should be your first target. And then market breaks out on the 1-day chart, then that will also mean that market is going to still push to the upside. That is what you should pay attention to right now. The market is going to move up. And also on ETH, if you look at ETH right at this very area, you see the market moving up. The same thing. It's nice to take a buy position from where the market is right now on ETH to the upside, and your first target too should be on this level of resistance, that is 1638 at this very point right here, guys. That is where your first target should be. This very level of resistance should be a first target as you enter the market from here at the close of this very candle right at this point. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the ETH USD 4-hour chart. The market should move to the upside. What do you think about the market on this very chart on Bitcoin? Do you think the market is going to move and break this level of resistance and we see the market ride up, or we're going to see the market come back down into this level of support? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit, check the link in the description of this video and get those bonuses. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.